Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Karlene, and if this is your first time here, welcome to my home. Today I'm going to take you shopping for some inspiration finding stocking fillers for under $5.
I'll also be sharing some tips and ideas on how you can package them up to make them look like great value for money. If this is your first time here, a warm welcome to you. On my channel, you will find easy recipes, cozy homemaking, and simple living. In the lead up to Christmas, I'll be posting every Friday and Sunday with Christmas ideas on a budget. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video.
We're going to head to a few different stores, so let's see what we can find.
Our first stop is Thrifties, and just so you know which shop I am at, I'm just going to put their logo on the top right hand side of the screen just in case you zone out and then come back and you wonder where I am. I'm darting all over town today. So we're at Thrifties, and I love putting little crafty little kits and activities like this as stocking stuffers because it's sort of a gift that gives twice. The kids get to open it in the morning, and then by the afternoon when the adults want to have a rest after being in the kitchen and nap off that trifle and Christmas ham, the kids can be whipping out their activities in the air conditioning because it's usually a hot day, and be crafting away and doing a nice little quiet activity while everyone else is having quiet time. Comment below and tell me if you have a tradition of maybe something that you put in your kids' stockings every single year, or if there's like a style of gift that you like to put in there, whether it be, different bath bombs every year or bed socks or, whatever it is. Comment below and chat to me and let me know what traditions you have that you put in your kids' stockings. Could be even your partner or your friends, doesn't have to be just the kids. I love chatting to you guys below, so pop down there and I will chat to you in the comments. They even had a really cute selection of little notepads with little lockable notepads. My boys love these. They did have a lot more like girly options as opposed to army or space or outdoor sort of themes, which is the things that my kids would normally be, attracted to. But they had lots of little options there. And organizers as well. These could be a cute addition to a stocking stuffer with maybe some scented pens or a gel glitter pen, and you could get a 5-pack or a 10-pack and then divvy those up, and that way that would keep the cost down to under $5 each. How do you feel about gifting little home decor or little trinkets as a stocking stuffer? Yes or no? I found these little glass containers, which I thought were so cute, for $3.50. If you maybe had the ingredients already to make candles like I did in autumn, you could convert it into a candle holder, but they were pretty as is. Now these may look familiar because I found these and put them together as some ideas for my gifts for $20 and under video as well. Just thought they were so cute, like a little lantern style with a little handle. That would be a really cute stocking stuffer. I'll link that video for you below. Our next stop is Silly Sully's, where everything in the store is under $5. So you know that I would definitely be hitting this place on my shopping spree. They had some really cute sort of novelty Christmas items. So if you're going to, Christmas fair, or you're going to go look at Christmas lights at night, these were some really cute little light up Christmas novelty toys. At the register, they had a ton of items under $5 that you could definitely add to a little stocking stuffer, little wristbands. Those little, what do they call them? Like a snap, the snap bands. They had earrings, necklaces, lots and lots to choose from. If you have a little girl that you want to shop for that loves little fairy gardens, they had this cute little section where they had little themes, like an ice cream parlor, fairy garden. There was like a library, little sweet treats. It's like if Katy Perry was to design a fairy garden. Like that's what it looked like. It was very cute. And then over the other side of the aisle, they had lots of different style of fairies as well. So there was definitely some cute little trinkety little things here for $5 and under. I think I'm going to have to get myself a little wind chime for the garden. I haven't had one in so long. Do you have one? I feel like those large bamboo clunky ones just do my head in, but like the pretty little metal ones sound nice. What do you think? Silly Sully's also has a large range of activity kits and DIY craft kits. So there's plenty to find there as well. If you've headed over to Thrifties and they're all out, then definitely hit up Silly Sollies. They had some really cute little Christmas games. That reindeer one is hilarious to play. Scratch art is great for all different age groups, and a lot of these things had 2 items in a pack as well, so that would definitely keep them busy for that little while longer. Or if you needed to, you could split the packs up so you could gift them to multiple children. They had these cute little festive dancing solar decorations. So I've seen people put these on their car dash, but the kids put them on the windowsill in their bedroom. So cute. They had a huge selection of novelty pens and pencils that could go along with those little notepads we saw earlier. I feel like I'm knee deep in pens and pencils, but then when it comes to actually doing their homework, they can never find an eraser and just a normal pencil. Is it just me? Is it just my house? Oh my gosh. They'll have all of this random sort of pens and colours and gels and smelly pens, which I love that they love to draw and write. But I'm like, but just where's a normal HB pencil, please? They had little jigsaw puzzles and a nice little compact container, because I loved this one, but that's not going to fit in a stocking. So that little one in the little tube sort of style is perfect for a stocking stuffer. These Christmas paint kits look like such good value for $5. These looked hilarious, where you sort of pop the little ball into the little face of the reindeer or the elf and you sort of squeeze their tummy and it spits them out. I was just more concerned that the baby would choke on them. I realised that one of them, Rudolph, has a little red ball in his nose, the other one was missing it. He's one ball short. One of these things is not like the others. I don't know why I hear that song. It's like Sesame Street has scarred me. Anyway, guys, it's getting late as I'm editing this. Can you tell? I love this little plate set. I thought it was such good value for $5. Cutlery, bowl, plate, cup, and it's made from a bamboo set. How beautiful does that look? That would just make a nice gift. Not even just like a stocking stuffer, but the actual main gift. They would have seen me share these candles for my $20 gift idea for a unique coffee tray gift, and these would also be great for stocking fillers, stocking stuffers. They're all $5 and under. They had beautiful little Christmas reed diffusers, individual little mini Christmas tree, tea light candles. They had boxed sets and glass jars, like votive jars and big ones. So definitely check those out. These are beautiful little stocking stuffers. I ended up leaving these on the day, but doubled back and then went and bought 2. And now I'm thinking, oh, I should have bought 3 of these Christmas tree candles. I cannot wait to style with them. Look out for that video coming out soon. They also had a really cute selection of Christmas socks. These would even be cute little minute to win it gifts, but definitely some cheeky gifts there for stocking stuffers. One thing that surprises me about Silly Sollies is the variety of books that they have for $2 each, but there's definitely some like adult activity style books and like Sudoku and crosswords and those sorts of activity books, as well as novels. But they even had some like popular authors as well that I have heard of before, and other little recipe books and things like that. But for $2 each, it is definitely worth checking out, because that is a beautiful way to add a stocking stuffer. You could do a nice little ribbon on top, and then you can even add a little bookmark and have that as like a little matching set, all for under $5. A quick stop at the reject shop. I saw these really beautiful monogrammed ceramic coasters for $2, and I thought that you could even get like a fancy pack of teas where they're individually wrapped. Add a couple of those on with a cute little ribbon, and that would be a really cute stocking stuffer. I think Kmart even sells plain little white mugs for 50 cents even. So you could get a cute little gift for definitely under $5 that way. And they also had some really cute novelty games as well. Our last stop is Kmart, because the babies had enough of shopping by this point. They had some really sweet little soft toys for $5. I love the little reindeer with his little scarf. Very cute. And they also had a really large selection of self-care items that were Christmas themed. So really cute little lip balms and bath bombs and eye masks and all of the sweet little extra things that you could add to a stocking for under $5. They also had a really cheeky accessory range for earrings. So if you need a new pair, definitely go check out Kmart. Now this is our last stop for the day, guys, and that's everything that I found for $5 and under of stocking stuffers on a budget. I have a bunch more videos coming your way for my Christmas playlist on a budget, posting every Friday and Sunday. So please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video that can save you some money, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.